Pickles may look simple, just cucumbers in brine, but their journey from farm to factory is a high-speed, high-tech process. Behind every crisp bite is bulk farming, fast transport, scientific fermentation, and precise packaging. Pickles aren't just a snack, they're a billion-dollar global industry, with factories producing thousands of jars daily for homes, fast food, and gourmet shelves. So how do fresh cucumbers become perfectly preserved pickles with uniform taste and crunch? What machines, chemistry, and quality control drive this transformation? In this video, we reveal the full pickle-making process from fields to jars. Curious how your favorite pickle is made? Watch till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. It all starts on vast cucumber farms, where varieties like Kirby or Gherkin are grown specifically for pickling. These cucumbers are shorter, crunchier, and have thinner skins than slicing cucumbers. Farmers rely on drip irrigation and balanced fertilization for uniform growth. Within 50 to 70 days of planting, cucumbers are harvested at peak firmness. Timing is crucial, as overripe ones become too soft for pickling. Mechanical harvesters collect them in bulk, which is then quickly loaded onto refrigerated trucks to prevent spoilage. According to FAO Stat 2023, global cucumber production reached 97.8 million metric tons, with China contributing nearly 82% of the total. Open field yields range from 9 to 27 tons per hectare, while greenhouses can produce up to 300 tons. The cucumbers must reach processing plants within 24 hours to ensure top quality. Once cucumbers arrive at the factory, they undergo a thorough washing process. Giant rotating drums and high-pressure water jets remove soil, debris, and pesticide residue. This isn't just about cleanliness, it's about ensuring the brine won't be contaminated. After washing, cucumbers move down conveyor belts to be sorted by size. Laser-guided machines and human workers separate them into categories: small ones for gherkins, medium for spears, and large ones for slices. Damaged or overripe cucumbers are removed to maintain quality. Precision is key here. Uniform size ensures even brining and attractive presentation. This meticulous sorting ensures that only the best cucumbers continue on the journey to becoming pickles. Before the cucumbers can be pickled, they're often blanched briefly, soaked in hot water or steam to kill off surface bacteria and help retain their color and crunch. This blanching step lasts only a minute or two, but is crucial for food safety and shelf life. Some factories skip blanching for certain styles of pickles, opting instead for cold processing. After blanching, cucumbers are cooled rapidly in chilled water baths. Factory staff may trim ends or slice cucumbers into chips, spears, or slices using automated slicers. Prepped cucumbers are then funneled into holding tanks, ready for the next stage. Every step is optimized to maintain freshness, while prepping for perfect pickling. The heart of every pickle lies in its brine. In massive stainless steel mixing tanks, brine is brewed from vinegar, water, salt, and sugar, sometimes with spices like garlic, dill, mustard seeds, and chili flakes. Recipes vary widely between brands, but the ratio of acid to salt is tightly controlled to ensure preservation and taste. Brine temperature is also managed precisely. Warm brine penetrates cucumbers faster, while cold brine keeps them crisper. Some brines are boiled and filtered before being added to cucumbers, removing impurities and boosting clarity. Industrial sensors monitor pH levels, salt concentration, and temperature throughout. This science-driven process ensures every pickle tastes as bold, tangy, and safe as the last. There are two main industrial pickling methods: fermentation and fresh pack. In fermentation, cucumbers are soaked in saltwater brine for weeks, allowing natural lactic acid bacteria to develop. This method produces traditional sour pickles and requires large fermentation tanks, some holding tens of thousands of gallons. It's slower, but results in deep, complex flavors. In contrast, fresh pack pickles are processed more quickly. Hot brine and spices are poured over cucumbers, which are then sealed immediately. This method is faster and used for sweet or dill pickles with a crisp bite. Both methods are monitored closely. Fermentation tanks are regularly tested for acidity and microbial activity to prevent spoilage or unsafe products. Once the pickling is complete, the cucumbers are ready to be jarred. High-speed filling machines load pickles into glass jars or plastic tubs with precision. Simultaneously, hot brine is injected to fill any air gaps and sterilize the contents. Air is removed using a vacuum sealing system, ensuring long shelf life and safety. Lids are immediately applied, and the jars pass through steam tunnels or hot water baths to create a strong seal. This process must happen rapidly to prevent contamination. Every jar is weighed, sealed, and scanned for defects using automated vision systems. Within seconds, raw cucumbers are transformed into shelf-stable, supermarket-ready pickles. After sealing, jars move to the labeling station. High-speed machines apply branded labels with ingredients, nutrition facts, and barcodes. Each jar is then stamped with a production code, batch number, and expiration date using inkjet printers. But before they hit the market, quality assurance teams step in. Technicians randomly sample jars, checking for proper seal strength, acidity, pH levels, and taste. Some are X-rayed to detect glass shards or foreign matter. Others are opened and tested for crunchiness, color, and aroma. Any product that fails these tests is removed and investigated. This rigorous checking ensures only perfect pickles reach consumers. After sealing and labeling, pickle jars proceed to the packing stage. Automated robotic arms efficiently place sealed jars into cardboard cartons, which are then sealed and stacked onto wooden pallets. Advanced palletizing systems can handle up to 1,200 cases per hour, significantly enhancing productivity. These pallets are shrink-wrapped for protection and labeled for their destinations, be it supermarkets, restaurant suppliers, or export warehouses. Temperature-controlled storage is often employed for sensitive varieties to maintain product integrity. Logistics teams coordinate with various transportation methods, including trucks, trains, and shipping containers, to ensure timely and safe delivery. From this point, pickles may travel hundreds or even thousands of miles to reach their final destinations, all while preserving freshness, safety, and that signature pickle crunch. The global pickles market, valued at $14.3 billion in 2024, is set to reach $16.8 billion by 2033, with a 3.79% compound annual growth rate. Consumer demand for unique flavors has sparked the rise of specialty pickles, including Korean kimchi, Indian achar, and Mexican jalapeno varieties. Manufacturers adapt by customizing brines, adding exotic spices, and adjusting processing methods for different textures. Many factories now offer organic, kosher, or gluten-free options to meet dietary preferences. The US pickle market is booming, with 73% of Americans enjoying pickles and a 3,800% increase in online searches for them. As global tastes evolve, pickle factories innovate, meeting growing consumer demand for bold flavors. Producing pickles at scale creates waste cucumber trimmings, used brine, and packaging scraps. Modern factories implement strict environmental controls to reduce their footprint. Wastewater is filtered and neutralized before being released. Organic waste like cucumber ends is composted or turned into animal feed. Glass and plastic are recycled where possible. Energy-efficient equipment and solar-powered systems are also becoming more common. Some companies even repurpose leftover brine for sauces or marinades. These sustainable practices aren't just good for the planet, they're good business. Eco-conscious consumers are more likely to support brands with green credentials, and governments often reward responsible waste management with tax breaks or certifications. Every crunchy, tangy pickle results from precision farming, food science, automated machinery, and global logistics. What was once a homemade treat is now an industrial marvel, with each step, from brine tanks to palletizing stations, ensuring consistency and quality. Next time you enjoy a pickle, remember the journey it took from field to factory to jar. It's more than just a snack. It's a carefully crafted experience. Curious about the pickle process? Hit like, share with friends, and subscribe for more insights. What's your favorite pickle? Let us know in the comments.